Loud and loose. We're loud. Loud. Who remembers the Crystal Maze? No, with goodies. Power steering club. Power steering. Cortina G's gone on a road trip. You've not seen me for years and years and years, and I've forgotten how to present a camera. Join us. Let's go! Back in the game again. Back in the game. MK3 Cortinas, feel the flame. He sees passion, don't you see? 3 stand cars to eternity. Engines roar like wild hellhounds. Streets hear the might where legends abound. Every bolt, every sound he makes is the soul of a car he forsakes.
Give me a bit of Andy. Just give me a bit of Andy Williams. Give me a bit of hammer fitter for that. The only thing missing is a load of flashing lights and bubbles. A troublesome truck has just moved out of the way, giving us the green light to open the taps. Wood, don't put it on concrete. There's our engine. Can you see out there in Patreon land? Hell yeah! What we've got? Well, it's not cooked. Tell you what, that's clean. That is clean. Oh, that is smooth. There's no wear ridges on Cortina G's engine. The pistons, it looks absolutely immaculate. Cortina G, years.
Legends abound.
How have you done it?
Every sound
This is
he
amazing.
makes, it's the soul of a car he forsakes. Worn out wheels, streets shattered in rust. Beats he gives trust, returns the thrust. Forgotten glory, revived with fire. Sparks fly from his desire. Oil drips down history's lane. As it passes, never the same. Spin fire, metal veins. It's the soul of the car he forsakes. Worn out wheels, dreams shattered in rust. Pete C gives trust, returns the thrust. Forgotten glory, revived with fire. Sparks fly from his desire.